Here we are seeing Microsoft document for writing programs without main method. It's called as top level statements. This introduced in C# 9 version. Let's jump into code. In Visual Studio Code, I created one console application. The name is console test. By default, program.cs file will create. Here I cleaned up the code. Let's try build without any code. It's returning error. It's expecting the main entry point. The program does not contain a static main method suitable for an entry point. Okay, let's write one code. I'm writing console command. Here I written the code without any class or namespace methods. So it's consider this code as top level statement. Let's build again. See here it's built successfully. The C# compiler what will do, it will convert this top level statement and make it as this is as entry point. Let's check in that assembly. For checking the conversion in that assembly, we can install the extension IL-SPY VS Code. From these extensions, we can see the code which is exist in that assembly, the DLL file, which is created by build this project. Once we install the extensions, we can see this session. Then we can pick that assembly DLL. This is the DLL. It's created by building our console application. This is the global namespace. It's created with name, the project name, console test dot DLL. It's same as our project name. It's called as global namespace. Let's check in the document. Global namespace. Top level statements are implicitly in the global namespace. What are the code we writing in the top level statement? It automatically created within the global namespace. Here, the compiler automatically created our code within the entry method, main method. Okay, let's try with another entry point. This time we try with that entry point as like in the old versions. We need namespace, then class, the main method should be in static. Let's build again. Now it's returning that warning message. The entry point of the program is a global code ignoring program main entry point. Here the namespace and the type definitions. The file with top level statement can also contain namespaces and type of the definition, but they must come after the top level statement. We are written another namespace, the methods after the top level statements. It will allow to write this format. Yeah, it's allowing, but it's returning the warning message since we have two entry point. See here, no other entry points. We can write a main method explicitly, but it's can't function as an entry point. It should not be an entry point. The compiler returns that warning message. The entry point of the program is global code, ignoring main entry point. Yeah, the same warning message we are getting here. Let's command this code. Then try to write one more top level statement in another file. Here we are getting the message only one compilation unit can have top level statements. Also we try by build this code. Yeah, we are getting error. Only one compilation unit can have top level statement. Let's check in that document. Only one top level file. It's throwing that error. Only one compilation unit can have top level statement. Yeah, we are getting the same error. So the program should have only one entry point. Let's comment this code. Also, we can write asynchronous code in the top level statement. Let's write some asynchronous code. Await, task, delay, number. Also, we can access that argument variable. Let's build. Let's check in that compile file, unload, then load again. See, it automatically created with asynchronous main method, task. Also, we can see that argument, the same code we are written in top level statement. Also, it's mentioned compiler generated. If you are going to use any name, that means any reference namespace, we can write in the top of the file. Let's check in the document. Yeah, the using directories, they must comes first in the file. Arguments we can declare, we can use await. The return we can also exist within that main method. Then this is that format how the compiler convert the code. If you use await in the top level code, then it will convert like this format. Seen all scenarios in the document from the code. I will share that all details in that video descriptions. Please find that one. Thank you. Bye.